Oy.
Ang laki ng +3 handicap. He's feeling sorry for the Makati Titans team. Thankful enough for these two players not to disappoint the Billiard fans. Laban pa rin. So,
You gotta give a lot of respect
Yes.
talaga sa ginawang decision ni Albert Espinola at ni Michael Kinay to stay on
yeah.
and still represent the Makati Titans. Kinurida na lang kasi may scratch na kasama yung
Yes, yun na
paatras
nga.
na yun eh. Number 1, si Espinola missed on the 6 ball. Kinay missed on a 1-9 combination. Now, tandaan natin, I said this at the top of the coverage. Michael Kinay owns the record. Yung tatalo lang siguro sa kanya, guys, like Dennis Po doon sa Sharks.
Oo.
9-ball showdown dati, nung naka 9 straight.
Mm.
But this one, for the first win of Makati this week, and he gets it done. Michael Kinay finally ends the reign of Demosthenes Pulpul.